and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you one of my favorite Jordans out of my Jordans big collection. And today I will show you my Jordans Jumpman 2 Tray. So this model, guys, is so beautiful and also a little bit aggressive because of this beautiful black coloring. And yeah, I will show you every detail, so let's start. First of all, I want to show you these black different coloring on this beautiful shoe. So you have this normal calf's leather here, and then you have this beautiful shiny leather here on the ground of the shoe, which makes the shoe so interesting, and like it gives a little bit of an aggressive and unique style. I am in love with these kind of Jordans, guys. Also, I'm a huge fan of black shoes, and in combination with these beautiful red accents, you can see it here on the sole, on the back, and also in the front. Also, you can see it here on the top of the shoe. So all in all, black and red coloring for a shoe is so nice, and I really like to wear those. Also, another eye catcher of the shoe is, of course, this unique lilac color, guys, in the back of the shoe. And also you can see it here a little bit on the side, but it's just a little small accent. And also here at the sole, which I will show you a little bit later, you can see this beautiful lilac color. I think that this coloring is also a little bit like electric lilac color, which I really love, and I think that you don't find it so often when you look at Jordan's shoes. Also here you can see, of course, the Jordan's logo written from the bottom to the top in white color on this beautiful black leather thing, and here you can see also the Jordan logo in, again, the lilac color, which is also the same as here and as here in the front. I will try to show it to you here. So yeah, guys, this beautiful coloring is so nicely made. And for the price, for these shoes I paid 150 euros, so it's quite a good price for like shoes. But also, guys, this shoe gives you a lot of comfort, and this is mainly because of this beautiful sole up here. So again, you can see here the same colors as on the shoe. Again, we have the red, the black, also the lilac color a little bit, and of course a little bit of white color at the sole. On both parts you can see it, and you can see that the sole is a little bit thicker than normal. So this is like the typical Jordan sole, but this particular sole gives you really nice comfort, and you can walk in those shoes a really long time and your feet won't hurt. I did it and it felt so good. You have a lot of stability in them, and all in all, this shoe is an eye catcher, guys. So I've got it in size 37.5, and this is like my perfect size for me. And also I like that I can combine this shoe with like my jeans models or my leggings and a lot of other things. I mainly wear those shoes in my free time. I don't wear it when I go to work, but I think for free time or when you just go out in the evening, this is such an eye catcher, guys. And a lot of people wish to have those kind of Jordan models. So here I will show you both at the same time, from the behind also with the Jordan logo, and here you can see them from the side again. So I hope you can see it well. So guys, all in all, this shoe is a really good eye catcher. I love it. I'm in love with the coloring, with the comfort, and I would really recommend this shoe to you. So guys, if you like my videos, please like them, comment them, and subscribe to my channel.